As Jim Rohn says, we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. So in order to change your habits, you have to be selective of the company you keep. The people we surround ourselves with invariably affects every single area of our life. We tend to soak up their qualities, we subconsciously take in their behaviors, their attitudes, and we start living up to the expectations that they have set up for themselves. In fact, if you had the option of doing just one thing from everything I have shared with you in this video, this is the biggest change you can make. Change your associations. Being amongst like-minded people is guaranteed to make a big difference in any habit that you're trying to change. So if you want to put an end to being a part of the 99% of majority who are constantly distracted and frustrated and wavering in their focus every single day, and instead, if you want to become a part of that 1% of people who are supremely focused on what they want to achieve, you better find yourself a community of those 1% people who are doing great things, who are working hard, who are making things happen.